In this video, we're going to see a Ryne AI review. Ryne AI is an AI-powered platform designed to assist students, writers, and professionals in generating human-like content that can bypass AI detection tools. It offers a suite of tools including a text humanizer, multimodal chat assistant, essay composer, and note-taking features, aiming to enhance productivity and maintain content originality. It can transform AI-generated text into human-like writing, aiming to bypass detectors like Turnitin, GPT-0, and copyleaks. You can engage with multiple AI models and generate essays with citation to aid academic writing. Also, it can assist you in taking class notes with audio support. It has high detection bypass rate, user-friendly interface, versatile tools, and privacy measures. But it has limited free plan. Advanced features require a subscription. You may not consistently bypass advanced detection tools like Turnitin, and it offers limited option for tailoring content to specific audience. So, Ryne AI serves as a valuable tool for individuals seeking to produce human-like content, especially in academic and professional settings. It's suited for features supports various aspects for content creation, from writing to note-taking. However, users should be aware of its limitations, particularly regarding advanced AI detection tools and customization capabilities for casual or light editing tasks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.